Already? Oh, I'm rolling. Hey guys, Sam here, back with another video after, surprise, how long has it been? Weeks, days, months? It's been a few months. It's been about, I don't know how many months since I did a YouTube video. Again, the last one I did was back in, flashback to last video. Yeah, it's been a long time ago. It's been a long time. The last time I did one that uploaded or recorded or posted a video in general was back in, I'd say like, I want to say February or March or I don't know. Heck, it wasn't April. It had to been before all this. It was like before all this Corona mess started. So I'm gonna say maybe back in January. But, guys, how has quarantine been going? Yes? No? Good? Bad? Ugly? Great. Great. Well, it's been going okay. It's been boring. Help me, I'm lonely! That freaking feeling that every kid has when he or she and alone, and sad, and wanting, and needing, and just overall complete, absolute, sheer boredom. Because I've been, ever since school has like let out, March the 20th? March the 20th, I think it was. It was sometime back in March. I can't remember when. It was on Yeah, it was March 20th. March 20th, because the Sunday before was March 19th when we first got our very first AMI packets. Ooh, was that easy. And then came the freaking algebra. And then came Gaston's hard as crap English. Though, the good thing is, those who were in 8th grade and had terrible grades, well, you can thank the Lord above for allowing this to happen. Because one, if you had a failing grade and you knew about it, and you knew you weren't gonna be able to make it to 9th grade, you better thank your lucky stars that all this happened, and the teachers had to start us in 9th grade, so that way we wouldn't have to take the 8th grade all over again, just for about like what, a month. And now they're saying that we aren't gonna be able to start up school again until the fall. Well, that kind of sucks, because I mean, well, not really. It's like one heck of a long summer break, because we were supposed to only be out for 2 weeks, right? No, it was the 15th. I'm reading it wrong. No, it was the 13th, March 13th, and they're supposed to stay out for 2 weeks. And be back on 30 minus 14. We were supposed to come back on March 30th. So the 16th, March 16th. Yeah, because the 16th through 17, 18, 19. And just March 16th was... God dang it. Shoot. I just woke up, so if I'm yawning uncontrollably, it's because I stayed up all night. I don't have narcolepsy. I just have a very fudged up schedule. So yeah, I'm actually trying not to cuss, because I mean, YouTube apparently doesn't like it when people cuss on YouTube, because it like demonetizes things. I don't need that. Ugh. I'm not sick, I'm just tired. My hair looks terrible, which actually it kind of doesn't, so yay. I'm just... Shoot. What was I talking about? Ah, yes. March 16th. We're supposed to be out for 2 weeks. Come back on March 30th. Shocker. That didn't happen. They got pushed to April 17th. And then like, you know what? Screw it. We're gonna ban all schools. Have a no return to school until further notice. So it went from spring break to WTF, long as crap, summer break. What the heck? Am I not the only one who sees that? Because if I'm not the only one who sees that, then I don't know. I genuinely don't know, guys. Because whenever they decide to start school up again, will be like, I heard they're talking about opening school back in the fall. And for Arkansas, we don't have fall. Like, we generally do not have falls whatsoever. We go from we go from, we go from like right what it is right now. This was like warm, starting to get like a little hot. Like today is supposed to be like 82, I think. I don't know. Oh, shoot. It's supposed to be like 82, I think. So it's gonna gradually. I mean, it is May 20th, and it's close to June. And by June and July, it starts to get hot. Like 90s and 100s even. Because last year, if I got up to like 106. I could be wrong, but I also could be right. You never know. I could be wrong, and I could be right. You never know. You never know. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. Then again, doubt me, because I could be right. I could be wrong. I could be both. Who knows? Who freaking knows? I don't. But the thing is, for them to open school back up, they would need, like, since I go to Harmony Grove in Washita County, it's in the halls. They are no more than, I guarantee, at most 5 feet from locker to locker. Since in the main hallway with Miss Purdue, Miss Gaston, and Miss Wells, there are lockers on one side of the wall. The entire strip, except for when you get down to that one building before you get to that last hall doorway. Like when you come in from outside and you turn left to go into the English Hall, or like you go to Gaston's during 5th period, that one door on the left. But before you if you go in the other way and you go like right, going outside, out by Miss Pyler's classroom, you guys know what I'm talking about. Those who go to Harmony Grove and who watch my videos, like when a long time ago, shoe bug. It was just a fly. Back when I said, shoe, leave me alone. I'm doing a video here. Pest, little pest. But, 1 second. Gotta get a drink of that final whiskey. I wish it's nothing but good old Coke. Some Coke. Good refreshing Coke. Sponsored by Coke. I wish. You know how much money I could make? I mean, if I had a sponsorship by Coke, the freaking biggest drink industry in the world. I'm getting way off topic, aren't I? Yes, I am. Back to what I was saying. But, good lord, it's only been 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Wow. But, back to what I was saying. What was I saying? Oh, yes, I was talking about the school situation, right? Right. the thing, if they're gonna open the school back up in the fall, since the lockers are the halls are so close, except for the science hall. The science hall is guaranteed to be about like 7 feet wide, because a lot of people can fit down that hall, even though there's lockers on one side, which the dimensions by. Oh shoot. I really need to go to bed on time. But since the lockers from when you're opening one to how far back it is, it's about, from the side view, it's about this side. This is my front, but your side. Imagine you're walking past it and you look at the side and it's someone's in front of it opening it, okay? That side view would be about maybe 11 inches long. Maybe. I doubt that, but maybe. Plus that little 1 inch for the frame of the door. So maybe about a foot. So, say on the English hall, which is it's the main hall where Miss Sarles's office is. That's the main hall, but really it should be called the English hall, since that's where all the English classes are, because there's the sped classroom down on the other side of that hall. But that's off topic. So what I'm meaning is that the hall is so small with how many kids there are in this school. It's like over 1,000 something. And last year at the beginning of the 2020 school year, or the 1920 school year, the 7th and 8th grade just alone, the 7th and 8th grade was big enough that it was as big as the 10th, 11th, and 12th graders. Imagine that. And with me, former 8th grade, going into 9th grade, with the new 6th graders coming into 7th grade, plus the seniors leaving, so it kind of evens out. But then again, think about this. If it was an economy, say, where you had, like, kindergarten, pre-K, pre-K, for, like, babies. Why? I don't know. Why is that a thing? I don't know. Scratch that. Okay. Pre-K, kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th, and then after it got to 12th, there'd be a thing called 13th grade, which would be for like those kids who want to go to college but don't want to continue to stay in school. And went all the way up to, like, say, 35th grade. Which would be like, you'd be an adult. Like, you'd be in your 30s. 34, 35, 36, somewhere in that range, if you see what I'm saying. So, imagine from pre-K all the way to 35th grade. If that was a thing. Now, if that was a thing, imagine the science, the chemistry, the literature, if I can use that without vomiting. Ugh. I'm not a person who likes English, okay? I'll do it, I just don't like it. That doesn't mean I don't like something I do. If I do something that either means I like it or I don't like it. But it doesn't mean I like it. So, moral of the story is, if there is that many things from here to here, imagine how smart, how how quickly a person could think of just like that. Like that. It would be so fast. There would be even someone who could solve the freaking equation to this coronavirus. Did I just say solve this equation to the coronavirus? That's not a math problem, Sam. See? Something like that. Not gonna happen. But the thing is, before I make this video too long, it's already at 15 minutes and 10 seconds now. I just want to say, hey, hi, how you doing? How has everybody been doing in quarantine? Stay safe. Stay home. Stay together. Stay close by your friends and family and loved ones. Oh, also, wish me luck. You don't have to if you don't want to, but this coming Saturday, I'm going to be walking my aunt down the aisle because she's getting married to her third husband. Because my Uncle Ben, which was her first husband, died before I was born. My Uncle Mike, he died January 20. I want to say, I can't remember, sometime back in, close to the end of January of last year. He was 65. I don't know how old my Uncle Ben was. But this guy, her third husband, they've been together for, I don't know how long, for about since Christmas, or a little bit before Christmas of last year. And he's alright. He's a pretty cool guy. He's a good domino player. He doesn't know how to play Uno for squat. As sad as it is, but hey, I could use a little bit of luck because I'm walking my aunt down the aisle, and I've never done that before. I mean, I've never done that. I've been a ring bearer, which means a ring bearer. If you know, those of you who know the wedding things, the ring bearer, the guy who has the pillow, who walks up and gives the people the rings. That was me. I did that when I was 7. It was cold. It was a cold winter day. It was like light snowfall, but that was a long time ago. But this is happening this Saturday. Me walking my aunt down the aisle to be married this Saturday. So I could use a little bit of help, love, and support, and luck and wishes. Good job. Like, hope you do it. Hope you do good, Sam. Good luck, boy. Hope she gets hitched. This video is almost 20 minutes long. I'm probably gonna cut it here. But hold on. Update in life. An update in life that I have is that my hair has gotten extremely longer. I mean, look at this. I can literally take my sideburn here, and ow. See? Ugh, I'm probably sure that just grossed a few people out. I'm sorry. I am sorry if that grossed you out. I did not mean to do that. But my hair has gotten like exceptionally long. I can do that with the hair on the back of my head. See, I can literally do that with the hair on the back of my head. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not gonna do it again. I promise you. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not. But yeah, that's a little update. Also, I don't have any more. I got 2 new dogs. Buck and Duke. Tomorrow, if not tomorrow, let's see, today is Wednesday. So tomorrow's Thursday. So tomorrow or Friday, I will upload a video of showing off my dogs and the garden outside, which is right past this window here, because there's natural light from the sun. So tomorrow I will do an outside video and what has changed from the outside. Oh, my dad got a new truck. It's red with a silver trim. It looks really nice. It's a 2002 GMC Sierra, I think. I don't know. I'll have to check when he gets home today. But yeah, it's almost 20 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it here. This has been Sam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.